Good morning everyone from the French Alps. I'm in the Vanoise National Park and I had to delay my departure because of the inclement weather. So yesterday I should have been up there. I should have ended my day up there camping near a mountain hut. But the weather forecast gave a warning for thunderstorms and lightning, and that's what we got. So to avoid being cooked and fried alive, I decided to leave the day after. Hello! Oh, look at you go. So up there in the cloud you can see the first mountain hut, but we don't care about that one. We are going to this one, Plansac, 30 minutes away. What you got there? Huh? So to recap, this is where I should have stayed last night, overnight, but because of the beautiful weather I decided to leave a day later. And so this is actually the start of day 2, even though it's become day 1. Today's destination is Refuge de l'Arpent, which is the only one without a timeline. So that's the Devil's Rock. Yeah, I wouldn't want that boulder to come rolling down into my nice little mountain hut. Been doing a little bit of zig and zag, as you can see or not see, all the way down, and it's much lighter up here. It's gone up about a little over 400 meters in elevation. So yeah, maybe by the time I get to the Refugio we'll have a nice afternoon, maybe a nice sunset. I'd love to show you the view, because the view would be beautiful, but just imagine a huge valley down there where this drop is 2,000 meters down, and then more mountains on the other side. That's what you should imagine. There's blue up there. Let's get up here. Yippee, 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 yippee. Look how weird that rock looks. Look at that. This is what I told you to imagine earlier. The big valley with the mountains on the other side as well. Well, I have to cross this somewhere. I'm thinking there. Bloody hell! Well, I'm quite impressed with making it across completely dry, and I'm not gonna set the GoPro, go back and do it again, because that was flipping scary. That's why I wasn't here yesterday, because all of this water is because of the rain from yesterday. So many ruins. Making my way downtown through the ruins and the grass. How beautiful is that? That sort of canyon-like thing with the river in the middle and the glaciers on the mountains at the back. Wow. Beautiful. So my Rifugios should be right around that bend where it's clear back there, I think. I hope. There's the Refugio up there. It's a long way to go still, but at least it's in my sight. Well, all you can really do is stop and admire. Take a moment. There's another one there. Oh my days. What is this place?